Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothie DTI. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of frozen fruit, which is key for that thick, creamy texture. Next, select your liquid base. 1/2 cup of almond milk or water works perfectly. Don't forget a protein boost, like 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder to keep you feeling full. Achieving that perfect consistency is all about your blending technique. A high-speed blender is highly recommended for the smoothest results. Start your blender on a low setting to break down the frozen ingredients, then gradually increase the speed. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until there are no visible chunks and the mixture is completely smooth. Now, let's talk about customizing your smoothie to fit your taste and nutritional needs. For an extra fiber boost, consider adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. A handful of fresh spinach is a great way to sneak in more greens without altering the flavor significantly. If you prefer a sweeter taste, try adding 1/4 of a ripe banana or a couple of pitted dates. Once your smoothie reaches the desired consistency, pour it immediately into a glass and enjoy it chilled. For easy cleanup, rinse your blender right after use. This prevents ingredients from drying and sticking. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's the perfect way to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.